everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I am doing a painting. This is on a 16-inch round canvas, Artist Loft canvas. I'm going to use black for my base, Artist Loft Flow black. And then I'm going to use SoHo's Rose Madder, Decoart's metallic 24 karat gold, and then I'm going to use Primal Flow's acrylic pour paint. This is Cranberry. This is ready to pour paint. I'll have a link in the description for these guys if you're interested in some ready to pour paints. They have some really beautiful colors and their prices are really awesome. So all right, so I'm gonna just kind of put down some here on the bottom of my base here. And let's see, I don't have too many air bubbles because I've had this mixed up for a good bit. And I'm just gonna I just kind of want to use just a few colors just to kind of do something a little different, and see what I can get. I have a craft show not till September, so I'm just trying to get some few different things made up that I don't normally do. And I'm just going to kind of layer these down. And then I'm going to put a little gold on here. And then the Rose Madder. I think I'm going to put a little bit more of that on. And I'm using Amsterdam's Black Oxide for my Shmear color. I do appreciate everybody watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and like and subscribe and share and comment, all that fun stuff. Like I always have to say. I should say I don't always have to say it, but kind of need to. Helps my channel out, so. But I do thank you guys for watching. Let's see, look at those pretty cells. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna kind of get this in the center here a little bit. I think I have a lot of paint on here, probably way more than I needed. Probably didn't need that much base color down, so I'm just gonna kind of lightly spin it. Actually I want to do something here because I don't want that glob of see what happens here. Hopefully it doesn't spin off. Look at those cells. Woof. Wow, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I like that a lot. Well, this was pretty easy, wasn't it? I don't think I really want to do a whole lot to it, honestly. It's just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Like how often does something like that happen? I'm gonna just torch it, make sure I don't have any air bubbles in here. But my goodness, those cells are huge and beautiful. Wow. I honestly don't even want, if you could see these cells on the table from me wiping my palette knife off, like, oh my god, I have paper towel down so I can't save them, but those would be amazing for skins. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I really don't want to do anything else, but I see a few more air bubbles. I'm gonna bring it on for a close because I really don't want to do anything with this. Like, I'm obsessed. It is absolutely just gorgeous. I really don't, and this doesn't normally happen, something to be so come out so perfectly amazing like this. So I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna bring it on for a close-up. This is going to be one of the fastest videos I've ever done, but wow, is that beautiful. Just look at that. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Look at those cells. They're just ginormous. Can you see all that shimmer in there? Wow. You guys have to tell me what you think. This was a really lucky piece to be come out so sorry about that light from up above. Like, just to be so beautiful so fast. I didn't have to really do anything with it. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's just gorgeous. The cells are just amazing. Oh, yeah. I think I want to do another one with these colors. Maybe so it kind of has a little sister one. But you guys will have to tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. And we'll like and subscribe and share, comment, all that fun jazz. I appreciate all your support. And I appreciate all your nice, kind comments that you guys leave. I try to respond to every single one, which I do, but sometimes it takes me a little bit to get to them, but I do get to them. But I do thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everybody is safe and healthy and just staying away from the COVID and all his little buddies. But I thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye-bye.